Kim folk, welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today's video, man, is about Spectro Performance Oils, man. Spectro actually has done a product sponsorship, so they sent me this stuff out because I'm going to be doing a video of oil changes along with a clutch change. I'm going to swap out my clutches on Old Blue back here, and they have sponsored the oil changes for all that stuff, man. So Spectro, thank you very much. Joe, the guy I've been talking to, man, super nice guy, and I'm very, very proud to be able to use Spectro Performance Oils. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let me show y'all what they sent out. Here we go. Woo! Look at that, boys. All right, so we've got all these oils here, man. We've got the oils for the motor oil, and then we've also got your primary oil and your transmission oil. They also sent a very nice little shirt along with some motorcycle wash and fuel treatment, a bunch of decals, Spectro Oil, and then they also sent out a shine spray-on silicone finish, and then a 101 multi-purpose lubricant. So can't wait to use this stuff, man. I'll probably give Old Blue a wash here after a little while and use this awesome stuff. So we'll get to use that and show y'all what it looks like. Let me throw this on real quick. All right, kinfolk. So I got my lovely assistant to go ahead and shoot me that shirt over. So let's get it on. Woo! There we go. Look at there. Spectro Performance Oils. So let's go ahead and get into this real quick, man. All right, so let me go over the oils that Spectro Performance Oils sent me, man. I use the regular oil. I don't use synthetic. I've never put synthetic in Old Blue, so I always use just the regular oil. So that's what they sent out. Of course, they have full synthetic. They've even got a semi-synthetic. So they got a bunch of stuff, man, for your Harleys. Along with that, they also sent the STL, which is for your primary and clutches. So they sent that out, and then that there is a full synthetic, and then also you have the full synthetic transmission oil, which is a 75-140, and so that'll go in Old Blue as well for the transmission, man. So I have heard nothing but great things about Spectro Oil, man. So I'll leave their link down below at the top of the description. So if you want to check anything out that they have, you can go to their website and give them a gander. Along with that, man, like I said, they ended up sending this 101 multi-purpose lubricant, rust penetrant, and so I don't know. I think this is part of their new lineup. I know one of them is for sure, but I believe both of them are part of their new lineup. They also have this shine spray-on silicone finish, plus dirt and mud barrier, right? So it's for off-road, motorcycles, automobile, bicycles, so you can use this just about on anything. I would definitely be trying to use it not only on Old Blue, but on Sky, the Jeep that my wife has out there. So again, too, this motorcycle wash cuts through grease, dirt, and road film. No harsh chemicals, safe for aluminum surfaces. So you just spray this stuff on there, man. I believe you just wipe it off. Can't wait to try out this stuff, man, to see how it works on Old Blue. But it comes with a little quick sprayer there. So again, Spectro Oils, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I can't wait to do the oil changes, and that way I can get this stuff in there. Supposedly, man, I've heard, like I said, I've heard a lot of great things. It's supposed to quiet down your shifts from the transmission. You know, you had that loud shifting on Harleys. Most of them do it, man, and supposedly it quiets down pretty good. So I'm excited, man. I'm excited that Spectro jumped on board to sponsor the oil changes on Old Blue. So I can't wait to get it done. And another great thing about Spectro Oils is that they are made in the USA, man. You know how we love our USA products. So love that about them. And they've been in business since 1966. So they're no slouch to the motorcycle community, man. There's some pretty heavy hitters in the motorcycle community, off-road and on-road racing as well. So great company, man. Super glad that they jumped on board. But I guess that's it, Ken folks. So again, like I said, man, if y'all want to check out Spectro Oils, go to the link down below. They're also on Instagram. Check them out at Spectro Performance Oils. And if you end up messaging them on Instagram or anything, man, let them know Knuckles sent you, right? So that way they know that you found them through me. So that'll be it, Ken folk. Until we do the oil changes or until we do some of this washing stuff, much love, much respect. We'll catch you on the next one. Knuckles out.